Today experiment we're gonna talk about
bottle fill
deviation. Our apprentice is bottle.
Hi guys, this is the beginning of our experiment. Our apparatus are only the bottle of water and 200 milliliter of water. So this 200 milliliter of water is our outside. So let's begin our experiment.
Watch me go, 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 go. I just gotta get it. Watch me go, 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 go. I just gotta get it. Cause I new beat, cause I new hit, cause I new shit, cause I new shit, cause I new bit, cause I new hit, cause I new shit, cause I new shit. Yeah. Trippy going on the best squad. Yeah, yeah. Follow on the way beside on touch. My team. Planet P. Yeah. 작업실에서 불을 피워 밤도 때나까지. 우린 너를 만들었지. And this track is so sick. 레벨 좀 더 키워 이 노래는 달려도 쉬워. 우린 필요 없어 다른 사이. Big the town 초록색의 lights. 빛깔의 발을 올려 마치 바이. Gotta get it, watch me go, 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 go. I just gotta get it, watch me go, 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 go. I just gotta get it. 어렸을 때부터 난 동네서 좀 특이해. Yeah, 맘은 이미 파스타 100개 중이네. 우리 모두 눌러 쓰고 누에어 추진해. 우리 보고 엄지 들어 묻은 곳이대. Yeah, watch me I'm gon' spin it. 발냄 지금 힘어. 처럼 춤만 떼고 싶어서 난 reload 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 신어주면 바로 던져 넣어 마치 freedom 우린 필요 없어 다른 사이 Paint the town 초록색의 lights 별다른 발을 올려 마치 bike I just gotta get it watch me go 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 I just gotta get it watch me go
Okay, hi. So let's answer for the first question. The question is asking for the sample space. What is sample space? Sample space is each reading lies between the smallest and the largest observed any real value. So in this experiment, we got that the minimum of the sample space is -1.4 and the max of our sample space is +1.5. So the sample space is between -1.4 to 1.5. This is the first answer for the question 1. Okay, so this is the table of our experiment. We get that trial 1 to 30. We got that all of them is not nearly get the 0.0. So all of the result is between -1.4 to 1.5. There is no exact number of 0. Okay, this is the last 10 trial that we get from the experiment, which is the max is -1.5 and the last trial is we got that +1.6. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. So this is the second question that we need to answer. The question is asking to find PD lesser or equals to 0.5 and PD larger than 0. So let's see the first condition. The first condition is D lesser or equals to 0.5. Okay, so we need to find the number of value, which is the number of value is 13. Okay, so number of value divided by the total trial that we do from the experiment. So 13 divided by 30 equals to 0.433. the number of 0.433 is the probability from the first condition. Okay, so let's move on to the second condition. The second condition is D larger than 0. So same as the condition 1, we need to find the number of value, which is the number of value is 17. So 17 equals to the total trial, which is 30, is the probability. So the answer for the second condition is 0.567. So let's move on to the next question.
And from here, we can calculate the mean and variance from the data that we've gained. First of all, we add up all the data that we have, which amount to 4.5 centimeter, and then we divide it by the amount of trial we did, in this case 30, to we get 0.15 centimeter as our mean. And from our mean, we can calculate variance, which we will get 0.575 centimeter. Now, the 0.575 centimeter is a positive number, which means that on average, we tend to overfill the bottle rather than underfilling it. And the fact that it is close to zero, meaning that we tend to deviate not much from the line when we fill the bottle.
Okay, so let's answer the next question. This question is asking to find given D lesser or equal to 1.0 and find PD larger than 0 and D lesser than or equals to 1.0. So count value where D lesser or equals to 1.0, which is 24 trials. Count D larger than 0 within those 14 trial. So the conditional probability is 14 divided by 24. The answer is 0.583.
Here we are trying to find k so that we can find our function f of x. We can do this by plugging the function 1 minus x into the integral from 0 to 1 and equating it to 1. In this case, this integral will equal to 1 over 2. So k times 1 over 2 will equal to 1, which means k must be equal to 2. With this, we can find our function f of x to be 2 times 1 minus x. Now that we have our function f of x, we can find the cumulative distribution function by replacing x with a dummy variable. In this case, we will do t, and plugging it into an integral from 0 to x. And here we will have our CDF to be 2x minus x squared.
In this part, we are giving a probability destiny function, which is fx equal to bracket 1 minus x. So first, we want to find the expected value or mean of x and use the formula of ex equal to integrate 0 to 1 x multiply with fx dx. We substitute the function into the formula, which is will be equal to integrate 0 to 1 x multiply with 2 bracket 1 minus x dx. Then we expand inside the integral, that will be equal to 2 integral will limit 0 to 1 bracket x minus x square dx. After integrating and simplifying, the result is ex equal to 1 over 3. Next, we find the variant. We use variant equal to ex square minus bracket ex bracket square. So we first calculate ex square equal to integrate we limit 0 to 1 x square multiply with 2 bracket 1 minus x dx, and there will be the answer is 1 over 3. Then the variant of x can be calculated because we have ex squared will ex. So variant x equal to 1 over 6 minus bracket 1 over 3 bracket square. After simplifying, the variant of x is 1 over 18. For this question, we calculate moment and moment genetic function. The forum moment is just the expected value, which is 1 over 3. The second row moment is ex squared, which is 1 over 6. Finally, we find the moment generated function mxt using mxt equal to integrate 0 to 1 exponent the power of 4x multiply with 2 bracket 1 minus x dx. After completing the integral by part and simplify the result, we obtain mxt equal to 2 divided by t minus 2 bracket exponent 4 minus 1 bracket divided by t square for t not equal to 0. So the function helps represent all the moments of the.
Okay, that's all for our experiment. We hope you enjoyed our video. Okay guys, let's go.
너와 천천히 오래 걷고 싶어 until the end of time